Hi, my name is Manuela Hoyos and this is my synthesis project. The ecosystem I choose is the forest because there are a variety of animals and habitats. These are the animals on the food web I built. First, we have the producers that are the grass and a tree. On the second place, we have the herbivores that are deer, rabbit, grasshopper, and squirrel. In the third place, we have the omnivores that are rat, insect, and a bird. On fourth place, we have carnivores that are hawk, fox, and owl. This is the food web I built. The grasshopper eats the grass, then the bird eats the grasshopper, and then the owl eats the bird. The deer eats the food of the tree, and then the insect eats the deer, and then the bird eats the insect, and then the owl eats the bird. The rabbit eats the grass, and then the owl eats the rabbit. The grasshopper eats the grass, and then the rat eats the grasshopper, and then the hawk eats the rat. The rabbit eats the grass, and then the fox eats the rabbit. The arrows represent the energy transferred from producer, in this case the grass or the fruit of tree, to the primary consumer, then the secondary consumer, and then to the tertiary consumer. This is an example of energy transfer in one food chain from the food web I built. The oak tree receives energy from the sun, light, and the process of photosynthesis helps the plant to produce food. Then the grasshopper eats some leaves of the tree, and the energy of the plant is transferred to the grasshopper. When the bird eats the grasshopper, the energy from the grasshopper is transferred to the bird. And finally, the fox eats the bird, and the bird's energy is transferred to the fox. In each step of energy transfer, some energy will be lost. Biomagnification example: in each step of energy transfer, some energy will be lost. Biomagnification example in my food web. The grass is sprayed with pesticide from humans. This is when through bioaccumulation. The contaminants are transferred to each animal from the food chain. The grass that eat the grasshopper have like 5 units of pesticide. So if one rat eats 3 grasshoppers, then the rat will have 15 units of pesticide. Then if the hawk eats 2 rats, will pass 30 units of pesticides, and at the end this contamination will be bad and will make the hawk's eggshells weak, and there will be few eggs that turn into new hawks. In my poster, I am describing what is a food chain, what is a food web, and how energy is transferred from producers to consumers, and how the biomagnification is affecting the ecosystem. Bye bye!